So we have Loubna from Logitech, and we're talking about video collaboration tools and hybrid workspaces. So thank you, Loubna, for speaking to us.
Thank you for having me today.
Thank you. We'll start with a brief about your presence at GITEX. What kind of products and solutions are you focusing on?
Well, GITEX for us is an opportunity first to show our enterprise solutions and enable our customers to understand our focus on all the segments. Logitech, we've been moving from being, I would say, with the ambitions to equip all type of meeting rooms from small, medium to large. And our new vision that we are already implementing is to go further than that and equip by segments, not only type of meeting room, but also by sector like healthcare, education, and government. And this is, we know very well, speaking the language of end user, it's very difficult and it's very challenging, and that's why we are providing the solutions, as we do understand that the needs from a teacher is not the same needs as a doctor, right? So yes, on GITEX today we are showing our latest solution that goes by segments.
Okay. In terms of hybrid workspaces, what kind of trends can you share with us?
Well, I would say hybrid work is here to stay. That's the first thing.
Okay.
We've been always questioning if it is like a trend, but now we realized that hybrid work is fundamental to collaborate and create. We want all the companies, they are looking for making their employees working from everywhere, having this freedom. And at the same time, let's say the example of education, we want all the students to be online from everywhere. And the same thing for healthcare. We want the patient to be free to consult any doctor from anywhere. So the trends are more today to talk about, like for example, for Logitech, we've been in 40 years back, imagining what's happening today and saying one day, and that's based on the generation's needs, not only because there was a pandemic, but in the generation needs. The needs of Generation X are not the same as the need of Generation
True.
Alpha,
Yeah.
right? So we say that Z millennium generation are a download, upload generation. Not like me when I'm used to go to the office from 8 to 5 in the previous years.
Yeah.
So those today are fundamental to do the business.
Yeah.
Give freedom to people, collaborate on the right way. That brings to the fact that we need to provide the right solutions to make people more inclusive in the online meetings.
Okay. In terms of companies asking employees to now return back to their workspaces, right? So what kind of role will video collaboration tools play now?
Yeah, this is a very good question, because as we do have the hybrid work, we still have like 45% with people coming back officially to the office. Our role is to provide the solutions that can equip their offices, because even the design of the offices has changed because of the hybrid work. So we moved from having the very large and big meeting rooms to small, medium, because we want to give the opportunity of all workers in the office to have more video collaborating online meetings. So because there is a lot of people are working also on hybrid, and
Okay.
the stand-up offices become very trendy also. So everything is changing to provide the right space and to collaborate more.
Okay. Do companies look at video collaboration tools as a way of cost cutting, or is it more about streamlining their communications process?
Both.
Okay.
I would say they are streamlining their communication, but at the same time, look, if people, they can do 8 meetings per day because of the video
Yeah.
collaboration, and when they go to do the face-to-face, it's around maximum 3 or 4.
Yeah.
So you can see the productivity is enhancing, and from travel perspective and expenses, also it is helping the company to reduce their costs.
Yeah.
So that's why we as Logitech, we need to provide solutions that enhancing the, I would say, the meeting experience to make it more inclusive and collaborative for the people that they are using our solutions.
Okay. From a channel standpoint, what kind of initiatives do you have in mind for the rest of the year? Are you looking at adding new partners to the portfolio as well?
Well, it's more of course, the region of AMECA, which stands for Africa, Middle East, Turkey, Central Asia, that I'm leading with my team today, is a very large region. We're talking about 72 countries, multicultural region with different language. And the most important that we are today focusing on is think global and act local. So we want to bring the best program per region.
Yeah.
And because a large deal in UAE is not the same size as a large deal in other countries.
True.
So that's basically from how we approach each market. Now, having said that, to answer to your question, we want our partners to be to provide the best customer experience to our end user.
Okay.
To do that, we are insisting on getting the right training, the right product for the right segment, on the right timing. Okay. And at the same time providing the best after sales service, which is the most important to secure our end users and giving them the I would say from IT perspective the security level, and from end user to have a friendly experience.
Okay. Thank you, Loubna, for speaking to us.
Thank you for having me
Nice having
today.
you with us today, and we look forward to speaking to you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.